Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Moomoo in Australia in 2025. Let's dive right into it. Moomoo is a trading app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other securities. To get started, head over to your app store and download the Moomoo app. Once it's installed, you'll need to create an account. After setting up your account, Moomoo will require you to verify your identity. For this, you'll need to provide some basic documents, like your ID, to complete the verification process. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your trading account. You can link your bank account to Moomoo, and the app offers several payment methods, including direct bank transfers, for your convenience. Once your funds are deposited, you can easily search for stocks or ETFs you want to trade by using the search bar in the app. Moomoo also provides real-time market data, which helps you stay updated on stock prices and trends, making it easier to make informed trading decisions. Lastly, Moomoo allows you to set alerts. This means you'll get notified when stock prices hit your predefined thresholds, so you can take action right away. And that's how you use Moomoo in Australia in 2025.